panel members at this stage. Really are appreciative of your strong support for non-party stakeholders and especially citizen regions. Throughout all these processes, what do you think is going to happen after this COP, and then the legacy of Talanoa? How do you plan to kind of amplify this forward?
Thank you. That indeed is a very interesting question. But again, I keep saying that for the Fiji presidency, we were quite impressed with how initially the non-party stakeholders embraced the Talanoa concept, but of course eventually the parties as well. It has brought the two together. As we all know, during COPs, we have the parties on one side and the non-party stakeholders on the other side of the venue. But through this Talanoa dialogue, it created that environment to bring us together, because we all have a role and a part to play. The SG has stated it very clearly that multilateralism is not only intergovernmental. There needs to be a lot of action, and it's already happening, I must say that, at the sub levels of government. And for the future of the Talanoa, we hope in the climate action space that the Talanoa will continue to be embraced by the non-party stakeholders. But it being continued as well in the UNFCCC processes, that is a matter for the parties to decide. But we hope that through the experience that we have gained in 2018, the Talanoa dialogue process will find a place in the future processes of the UNFCCC.
Thank you, Minister.